Hello, my lovely friend. How are you? I return again with old popular food in Syria and delicious recipe. It is shish parak, shish balls, dough, stuffing with meat, and cooking in yogurt. The preparing is very easy. To prepare the dough, I need 3 cups of flour. I put 3 of this cup. And I need some of salt. I mix it together, and I need oil. I need a spoon of oil. It helps me to spread the dough very well. You can use oil or ghee anyway. And I need a cup of water. I pour the water in stages, and I knead the dough very well and put the water as I need. Maybe it need a more of cup according to the flour you use it. I think it is enough a cup of water, and I need the dough to be a smoothie, and I put some of oil on my hand and changed the bowl, and I left it about 30 minutes or more, and I will go to prepare the meat and stuffing. First, I use here a butter or ghee, not oil, because the oil it gave me problem when I want to close the dough after I put the meat. I add soft chopped onion and I put salt and pepper and meat. Yes, I mix it. Then I add the meat. I will wait all to the meat broth to dry. Then I pour very well the mixed spices. It gave me a delicious flavor to the meat. Then I start to knead the dough. It is smoothie right now, and I add the flour and I cut with anything you want, cup or small dishes as you want. I want a circle dough, a small circle dough. I put some of flour to help me to spread the dough. I want to form it a circle of dough like this. It is very easy. Then I put the stuffing and I will close it very strong. I don't want to open in the yogurt, and close it like a flower. I spread the dough again. Our mothers put shish balls after we finished in the oven a bit and to roasted the dough, or they fry with oil until be golden, then cook it with yogurt. As you choose, the flavor is delicious in any way. Now it is ready, and I will prepare the yogurt. Look, I put 2 kilos of yogurt, and I need, for every kilo, I need a spoon of starch. But I mix it very well before I put it on the fire, and that's very important. I put the starch on the yogurt before I put on the fire. I mix it very well. Then I will dilute the yogurt with milk or water. You can choose. Then I stir very well on the fire to boiling. Now it is ready. Look, it is very good. As he boiling, I put piece and piece of shish parak, one by one, like this, and I will stir from the sides. Okay, and then I reduce the fire. Then finally I add fried garlic with ghee. It gave me a beautiful, amazing flavor to the yogurt, and I needed about 20 minutes, and it is cooking very well. And I pour in the dishes, and I will decorate it with coriander, like this, and put some of nuts with the ghee. It is very delicious and very amazing flavor. You will like it, absolutely. Give me your opinion and try it. It is very easy, and it is very popular in Syria. Thank you.